Days later. My inventory. Hey! You appear to have found something of mine. I've just been shipwrecked, you see, and He isn't listening to me. It would seem that there is to be no reasoning with this guy. Excuse me? Look, pal, I'm usually totally against violence on the grounds that I'm not very good at it. However, unless you return that which is mine fairly sharpish, I will not be held responsible for my actions. Please can I have my mucus aid back? Please, please, please!
It's not yours.
What?
I said it's not yours. Once it gets washed up here, it becomes mine.
But...
It's very simple.
But...
Excuse me.
Something must be done about this.